What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Design Box Architecture. How long has it been since I posted a video? Almost 2 weeks, right? Yeah, 2 weeks. Yeah, I got engaged with some stuff, but I'm actually free now. Alright, in today's episode, we're going to learn how to offset a line or object in AutoCAD. And before we begin, kindly subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon so you get notified anytime I post something new. Alright, let's begin. The offset tool is actually located in the home tab and also in the modify ribbon. And before you offset, you have to draw a line or maybe have an object on a sheet so you can offset it. But if you don't know how to draw a line yet, kindly check my video on how to draw a line in AutoCAD. I also have the link in the description, so you can hit it up and just watch it just to know how to draw a line, and then you can get back to the video and learn this one as well. Okay, at this point I'll just draw the line and then I'll show you where the offset tool is in AutoCAD. So let's draw the line. We have the line drawn. Like I said, the offset tool is located in the home tab and in the modify ribbon. So I'll just move the cursor there. This is the offset tool. As you can see, the pop-up says offset. So you left click it once, then you move to the sheet. After you've moved to the sheet, don't do anything yet. You just have to input the distance at which you want the line to travel. And also, let me add this. Offsetting is like copying a line and also moving a line. So I'll input 150 because I've set my AutoCAD unit to millimeters, and if it had been in centimeters, I would have inputted 15, but since it's in millimeters, I'm inputting 150. So with this, I'll just enter, and as I entered, you saw that the cross my crosshair or my crossed line became a box. So at this point, I'll move the cursor or I'll move the box to on top of the line, and left click once on the line. Then I'll move the line either top or down, so let's say I want to offset this line I've drawn to the top. So I'll just move the cursor to the top, like on top of the line, the reference line, and I'll left click once. So there you see the line has become doubled. So this is how to offset a line in AutoCAD. If you have any questions, kindly feel free to ask me in the comment section, and I'll gladly answer you. Also, subscribe to the channel. This helps the channel to grow. And have a nice one.